Hey everyone, welcome to this video. We're gonna make some French toast using this day-old, well actually it's a lot older than day-old bread. This bread is so hard it could legally be considered a weapon in some states. It's really stale.
Seriously? How can you make French toast out of that?
Well, you're going to see. So we will start with 3 eggs here. And
Half a cup of milk?
half a cup of milk.
I think you usually eat like milk with toast, not in it.
It'll be in it too. So we'll put some cinnamon.
Half a teaspoon.
And nutmeg.
Half a teaspoon.
And salt.
1/4.
And vanilla.
1 teaspoon.
And a 1/4 cup of flour.
Are we making the bread or just using it to make bread?
Where the bread is already made, we're just using this. This is a custard, I think is the technical term. And we're gonna soak the bread in it. So the bread is, because it's all dried out, it's gonna soak this up really nice. So we'll mix this up real good. And take bread again. Now I'm gonna cut this. It's a little hard, as you can see.
You look like you're using muscular.
And it's kind of crunchy.
Can I eat a slice? I'm hungry.
I always do, so why not? You can see how kind of solid these are.
And crumbly. How can they be solid and crumbly at the same time?
See, I'm gonna have a bite of this one right here. So now we return to our mixture. Yep, our mixture here. And just kind of give it another good mix just for good measure. And then we'll put these in here.
Just like set them in like eyes, mouth, nose.
Yep.
You sure this will turn out?
So then make sure they're covered good. So give them a flip here. And dab.
I think they kind of look like... Let's just let it sit for a moment to absorb it, I suppose.
Exactly.
Wait, what's that?
We get our cast iron pan ready.
Or skillet.
Yep. Get it nice and sizzling.
You just drop the butter.
Right. Butter makes it better. Spread that across the pan. Yeah, this is making me hungry. So put one on there. Actually, we're gonna put them all on there. And let them cook for 1.5 minutes. And then we'll flip them over and just squish those little edges there.
You're right, they do look good. I put that in.
Also, you'll definitely want to cook up some
Sausages.
to go.
Breakfast sausages.
Yep, to go with your French toast. So those are looking good, so I'll put these on a plate.
plate.
And get some more.
And get some more. Cook them up. And cook them good.
Now this is a great way to use up some stale bread.
Which may not seem so stale once you cook it and eat it like that.
And it's better than using fresh bread too, by the way.
Fresh bread doesn't soak up as much of that custard.
Exactly.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Okay, I guess my tummy's hungry.
Whenever the pan is looking a little dry, just add a little more butter. And then you can throw down some more pieces.
You're starving me. I'm gonna go eat.
This does look good. All right, let me put some on a plate here.
Strawberries. Are you gonna add any cream? Whipped cream?
No, but you could. If we had whipped cream in our house, that would be a brilliant idea. For now, it's just strawberries and all natural maple syrup.
And all natural maple syrup.
Straight from the farm.
Which one?
The maple syrup farm.
I have a friend that makes maple syrup. And her maple syrup is so good.
So, I don't know about you, but this looks so delicious that I cannot wait to take a bite of this. And you know what we forgot?
Sugar! You forgot to sprinkle it in sugar.
Powdered sugar. So yeah, you want to sprinkle some powdered sugar on this. It just kind of gives it that little extra touch.
And look.
And look too, yeah.
But mostly taste. It looks like it's snowing.
This is the most tasty snow I've ever had.
Yep.
Well, here you are. This is our delicious meal out of what was once wasted bread.
Crummy, disgusting wasted bread. Which
And now,
I took a bite of. Actually, it's too bad.
and now it's a tasty breakfast that your whole family will enjoy.
Very much.
Especially the kids and Mama, because Mama loves strawberries.
And French bread.
So everyone give this a try. Let me know how it turns out and make a comment below. And don't forget,
Click the bell and subscribe. Don't forget to do either.
thanks for watching everyone.